Could you explain what's going on now? Is international law under crisis? Is the Charter in crisis?
For sure.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that the UN doesn't function anymore, and for sure it doesn't mean that it's not worth it anymore. The opposite is true. We need these United Nations more than ever, but the United Nations now also need the world to protect it, because if some members, and unfortunately key members, because members of the Security Council who do have a special right, the veto power, but it was given to them to protect international peace and security, having a responsibility to protect it. But if these permanent members of the Security Council are not protecting peace and security, but rather attacking the Charter and breaching the most important articles about the sovereignty of every country, that a war of aggression is not allowed, that you have to comply with international humanitarian law. Obviously, even literally, the UN is under direct attack, and this is why the other member states have to stand up even more strongly. Even though we are in difficult times, I'm still having an optimistic view. First of all, because I believe you should not be in international politics and diplomacy if you're not a structural optimist. So the glass is always half full, even though it sometimes looks quite empty. But also because I see every day when I'm chairing the General Assembly that the vast majority of the 193 is 150% committed to defend this Charter.